So today we're going to do 2403. This is a percolation lab. The first thing you're going to need is you need a beaker of 100 milliliters of a certain size rock particles. Pour them into the top of the tube. Next, your partner will do this, but I'm using a clamp right now. What you want to do is you want to seal this bottom so that none of the water will come out. Make sure there's a beaker underneath. I'm going to pour start with 100 milliliters of water and slowly pour until it goes just at the top of the rock layer. So slowly pour, and again we're looking to see that water just gets to the top of the rocks. We're trying to measure the pore spaces that are in between the rocks by using water. So a small amount of water until it just stays at the top of the rocks. It's almost there. And there. Stop. 100 minus what's left will give me my porosity rate. That's the first step. Next step, we want to see how much water is retained. So open up this spout, capture all this water, start with a new graduated cylinder, and you're going to measure how much water came out. Porosity minus the amount of water that came out will tell you how much water was retained in between the rock particles. The final test that we're going to do is called permeability. We're going to see how quickly the water will run through these different sized rocks. You need 300 milliliters of water. You're going to pour it from the very top and time how long it takes for all the water to drain out. Here we go. And stop. That would be your permeability rate. These three tests you're going to do for 3 different sized rock particles. These gray ones are small, the white ones are a little bit larger, and the red ones are even larger. After this, you're going to clean up all your materials. There's graph questions at conclusion. We're looking for the percolation rates of different sized rock particles.